Today we're gonna make a Wagyu Striploin seared in a Himalayan Salt Block. Wagyu is a really high grade of meat. It contains a lot of marbling, and once you eat it, it's literally melts in your mouth like butter. Hi everyone, my name is Victor Garcia. I'm the head chef at the Beloit Club. Typically, you think cooking the meat on a grill or on a flat top or on a pan, but this time we're gonna cook it on a Himalayan Salt Block. Cooking on the Himalayan Salt Block, it adds a lot of health benefits. It balances your pH levels and also stabilize hydration. When it's done, I'm gonna let it rest. So when I cut it, it'll keep all the juice inside. I'm gonna complement this special kind of meat with roasted carrot, enoki mushrooms, caramelized onion mousse. I really like to use the caramelized onion mousse because it'll bring a sweetness to the dish and it will balance the saltiness of cooking with the Himalayan Salt Block. Now, so I'm gonna make it this wonderful sauce which contains miso, ginger, and kale. Ginger and kale, they're in season right now, and that's what we're using with the miso to make the sauce. The presentation is a lot of fun because we're gonna add the sauce right on the table in front of you. You will get all the aromas, the ginger, the miso, the kale. This is something special that I'm doing at the Beloit Club. So please come experience the Striploin Wagyu.